Hey guys, Jessica Schwartz here. I just wanted to hop on today briefly to talk about how writing a book can potentially be tax deductible. If you are in the US, we are firmly entrenched in tax season. It ends in less than 2 months. And of course, doing your taxes, especially as an entrepreneur or freelancer, if it's your first or second time, can be extremely intimidating. It is completely different than just receiving a W-2 from one employer and submitting your taxes on TurboTax. Totally different. And I actually, for the last 2 years, I have hired a CPA that is specifically specializes in small businesses in New York City because, of course, New York and each state has their own laws in terms of taxes. And then, of course, you have the federal tax laws for freelancers as well. Now, I am a sole member LLC. I did file as an LLC officially, and in the state of New York, it's pretty pricey, although that money is tax deductible as well as the cost of the accountant is also, because it is a business expense. And I wanted to talk to you about how writing a book can directly affect your business and can be tax deductible. So when I wrote my first book, it's called Write, Get Paid, Repeat. I published it in August 2017. I'll put a link to that below. But when I published my first book, I paid out of pocket for the editing and the book cover and the formatting and marketing that I did for it with promotions and ads and stuff. And I was actually able to, in the following year, in January, February of 2018, I did claim that money as business expenses. And my accountant did say that it counts as a business expense because I did write the book to help me with my business. I was using it as a marketing tool. I used it as basically proof that I know how to write a book because my ghostwritten books are under an NDA, so I'm not allowed to share them. People often find me through that book. I did put a lot of expertise and information in it so that I could legitimately help people. I didn't write it as a throwaway, but it is to benefit me and my business. So writing a book, if you're taking a class, if you are paying for formatting or editing or book cover or any expenses that come along with writing and publishing your book, you are able to claim that on your taxes as a business expense because writing a book is going to be growing your personal and professional brand. It's going to continue to give you exposure because, and of course, your name is inextricably linked with your business. So it's going to be linked with your business and your name and your personal and professional brand, which all serves to be a marketing tool for your business, for yourself, for your services. And so those are legitimate marketing expenses. And so that's something that a lot of people don't think about when they want to write a nonfiction book. And they don't think about how it can be a tax deductible expense, even though they know that this is something that can directly affect their business and help them get more clients and more exposure. And it can be a really good thing. And I think that a lot of people don't really remember that, or if they do, maybe they think that that's cheating somehow. And it's definitely not. My CPA has absolutely assured me that it is legal, ethical, and expected. So anything that you do for your business, any money that you spend, ads that you spend on Facebook and Instagram, anything that you're doing to promote yourself or your books or anything, those are all business expenses. I did learn, of course, going on vacation, even if you take your laptop, not a business expense. I wish, right? But so I just wanted to hop on and tell you that because I think it's really important. And, you know, I am gearing up to start the second class of how to write a book in 3 months. And if you're ready to put together and write your nonfiction book and you're ready to get that out on paper and have that as a business expense for this year and use that in your taxes next year, now is the time. It is such a cool class. We have such a great community of people. We get to peer review each other's work. We get to learn how to write a book together. We get to have the community support where writing a book is often incredibly isolating and it's just something that you have to do by yourself, and now you don't have to. And I've been told by many a person that my price is very reasonable, and I am glad that they think that because I'd like to think so. And so this is a 12-week time commitment, although the course itself with the weekly calls and the handouts and the video and all of the content is only for 8 weeks. And the last 4 weeks is really dedicated writing time with only 2 group calls, no content, no videos to watch. And you are going to get additional one-on-one sessions with me to go over your writing and your ideas and your next steps and your goals and plans with your book. So I would love to get on a chance to speak with you. I'm going going to put the link to the landing page for this class in the description, and you're actually going to be able to get a free copy of my first book, Write, Get Paid, Repeat. If you would like to, you are more than welcome to check it out. And so thanks for listening, and I hope you guys have a great day.